Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix a Proton Mail account that has been locked. Whether your account was locked due to multiple failed login attempts, security concerns, suspicious activity, or a temporary restriction, there are several steps you can take to regain access. So let's get started. First, don't panic if your account has been locked. In many cases, account locks are temporary security measures designed to protect your information from unauthorized access attempts. Start by carefully reading any message or error notification displayed on the login screen. The message may provide details about why the account was locked and what actions you need to take next. Once access has been restored, review your account security settings. Update your password if necessary, verify your recovery options, and enable additional security features to help protect the account in the future. And that's how to fix a Proton Mail account that has been locked. By following the appropriate recovery and security procedures, you can usually restore access and get back to using your account safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.